किती घेऊया नाही तो बंद कर मैं
फाल्यां मगाच्या भावना बोललो फाल्यांचे विसर नासता न चुकता आमची जाहीर सभा आसा फाल्यां 7 वरांचेर आमची जाहीर सभा आसा सगळ्यांनी हाजीर जावचे सगळ्यांनी सगळ्यांक सांगचे मैडम बोलना है सबको लेके आना है और जाहिर सभा 8 साल मोदी की सरकार जो काम किया है उसके लिए हमारी सभा के लिए आ रहे हैं हमारे विनय तेंदुलकर जी, नरेंद्र सावयकर जी, दामोदर नाइक और हमारे और स्पीकर मेन स्पीकर फॉर जाहीर सभा बड़ी सभा जातली बेस्ट इन गोवा जाहीर सभा दाबोळे आमकां करपाक जाय त्यासाठी तुमचो सगळ्यांचो तेंको हात
सर आयज दाबोलीम ग्राउंड तुम्ही डेव्हलप करपाक घेतलेलो आसा कॅन यू समथींग अबाउट प्लॅन्स फॉर द ग्राउंड
This ground is being developed with the Zilla funds. As Anita Thorat has told you, we will be having a proper ground in shape as well as a walking track at the side. So this entire thing will be a beautiful thing for people to walk around, to play different type of sports. This is most widely used ground if you see. Actually it is private property, but with the good offices of the owner, Mr. Edwin Ribeiro, I have seen that he has given it for development into a ground for the people. It was designated actually as an open space, as his private open space. But I told him give it to the public, and therefore it is being converted into a good ground and a walking track. I am very grateful to him.
So what will be the estimate cost for that?
So this is the first phase. We are spending 30 lakhs. After the first phase is over, then we'll think of further enhancing the capacity of the ground or increasing the ground as the situation arises, and we'll be spending more money.
Sir, yesterday you have spoken something about developing a Ram Mandir in Dabolim. Anything on that you want to say?
If I want me to speak on that.
Okay, sir, one more. Yeah. Tell me, sir, about Ram Mandir. You are the chair. You have been appointed as the chairman, no, of that Mandir.
You ask Sandeep about it. Sandeep call Sandeep. It is better. I should not say this thing. No, their committee is there, and I have been appointed. No doubt. I confirm that. They maka izzat
question around.
Your committee has appointed sir as the chairman of the Ram Mandir.
See, I'll tell you what has happened. Okay, the idea of Ram Mandir was germinated about 1 year back. When the people of Jairam Nagar said कि ये जयराम नगर है, यहाँ एक राम जी का मंदिर होना चाहिए. So when the idea germinated, we got a suitable land identified, and when things went ahead, there were 3 meetings held in which we wanted to decide who should be the chairman of the trust who acquire the land, and the trust is going to run the temple. Temple is going to be there for generations. It is not a temple that will be built once. मंदिर स्थापित हो गया तो जनरेशन तक चलेगा. So it is with great happiness and with immense pride that I am telling that the people asked me to request sir to be the chairman 3 times, and when I said, I put it up to him, he willingly accepted, and people are dancing with joy today that we have him as the chairman of our trust, because now we are confident with that same slogan, Mauvin hai to mumkin hai. Therefore this mandir will become a reality in Jairam Nagar. This is what I have to say, and people are very, 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 very happy that this mandir is going to come up in Jairam Nagar.
Thank you.
Sir, one last question. The monsoon is approaching, so how the things are being?
We have had pre-monsoon meetings. We have taken a review. In fact, just now, Gregorio Montero, who was put in charge of that particular work, we have desilted the entire Nala, which is very critical in Wadem, which reaches up till the sea. We have desilted the entire thing, so there will be absolutely no flooding. And I want to say here with all the emphasis, before when I just became MLA, there used to be flooding. People used to walk sometimes in knee-deep water, with your testimony, near Wadem Lake, near Pai Hospital. After I became MLA, nobody has had to walk to water. There is no flooding whatsoever, and we always do pre-monsoon maintenance, which I have done.
So the trees, the branches have been trimmed, you know?
Yes, yes. It is an ongoing thing of trimming the branches. Even before monsoons, even after monsoons, it is always an ongoing activity, because with that you have power outages and other problems. I have people who have been privately employed by me, workers whom I pay. They are working around the year for this type of work.
Yes.
Yeah.
मॅडम आज ZP फंडाचे ग्राउंड डेव्हलपमेंट करण्यासाठी सांगू शकता मॅडम?
काय ना, जसे आमचे दाबोलीचे आमदार आणि आमचे गोयचे पंचायत मंत्री, इंडस्ट्रीज मिनिस्टर, जसे त्यांचे नाव म्हटल्यार एक डेव्हलपमेंट कशी आसा, आणि भारतीय जनता पार्टीन आमच्या MLAन जसे काम केलेले आसा अलॉंग विथ द पार्टी, आणि डेव्हलपमेंट केलेली आसा, त्याचोच एक भाग तुम्ही पळयले आसतले. गेले कितलेशे महिने जाले आम्ही जिल्हा पंचायत फंडा अंडर जे कितें अवेलेबल फंड्स आसात, चड काय ना पण जे कितें अवेलेबल आमकां गव्हर्मेंटान फंड्स अवेलेबल करून दिले आसा, आमचे माननीय पंचायत मंत्री तेंच्यांनी आमकां फंड्स अवेलेबल करून दिलेले आसा. जो लोकांचो फंड आसा तो आमी लोकां खातीर वापरपाचो 100% आमी पुराय प्रयत्न करतात. आणि आयज आमी फावंडेशन स्टोन ह्या दाबोली ग्राउंडाचेर जे घातलेले आसा, हे खूबशे वर्सां जाली ह्या दाबोली वाठारांतल्या लोकांचो एक डिमांड आशिल्लो की ह्या वाठारान ग्राउंड जावपाचो. जायते आमी खूब प्रयत्न केलेले, पण काही कारणाक लागून फाटी फुडें खंय तरी जाताले आणि हो ग्राउंड आमी स्टार्ट करूं शकूंक ना. पण सरान फाटी लागून हे फावटी सारखे जिल्हा पंचायतीचे प्रॉपर आमी युटिलायज केलेलो आसा फंड, आणि आयज फर्स्ट फेज आमी चड काय ZP फंडा अंडर आमी फूल ग्राउंड डेव्हलप करूं शकना, पण जाता तितले स्टार्ट तरी काम केलें आसा. फेज 1 आमी आयज काम स्टार्ट केलें आसा. हे जातकीर फेज 2 आमी स्टार्ट करतले. सो जाता तितले डेव्हलपमेंट आमी करपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न, हो एकूच उद्देश आसा.
थँक्यू.
Thank you.